You were never there, like you said you would be. I needed you there for me. It was never fair. Every promise you broke, every last one you made me. Did you ever care? I see a different side to the person I hoped you'd be. You know you did me wrong, and I just can't take no more. And I have one more thing to say before I grab my bag and walk out the door, yeah. This is the last thing that I wanted to say. And this is more than just a goodbye letter. And I'm happy that it ended this way. And now you're gone, and it makes me feel better. What did I do to you?